Hi friends, this is Nirvan Network Solution, and in this video I will show you how you can fast your system if your laptop or desktop is working very slow. And what you do, just follow such steps and you can fast your system. Just go to run, type here percentage temp percentage. It will open the temporary files. Just Control A, then delete all these temporary files, and then again go to run, type here the command is prefetch, type here prefetch command, and it will open again the temporary files, and just Control A, then delete all these files. Then in the search bar you can type here disk cleanup, here disk cleanup, and select here all the checkboxes, all these checkboxes, and okay, delete all these files. This is the temporary files, and it will not affect on your system. And then again go to the search bar, and here type that and select the defragmentation and optimize drives. Here if you have 1 or 2 3 4 drives, you can select all these. Just select the drives and optimize. It will optimize, and just you can change the settings here, and you can set the schedule for your defragmentation here, for weekly, daily or monthly. It's up to you. You wanna on daily or weekly or monthly. Then choose the drives here. You can select all these drives. I have only one drive here, so it's only one drive it is showing. So do this, and after that go to run, here press and type here msconfig. Go to the boot menu and boot tab, and then go to advanced option. Then here is the number of processors. Select this, and you can select the maximum number of the processor. Here is the 8. I select this one, and okay, apply. Okay, you're asking for the restart. After restart you will see the effect, your system or laptop working very fast. Thank you.